Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we'll tackle about industrial age. Do you have any idea what's industrial age? If you don't, we have to finish this video for you to know what is industrial age.
The industrial age is a period in history when societies shifted from handmade production to machine-powered manufacturing. Beginning in the late 18th century, this era introduced inventions like steam engine, mechanized factories, and improved transportation systems, which allowed goods to be produced faster and in larger quantities. Industries grew. People moved from rural areas to cities to work in factories, leading to rapid organization and major changes, lifestyle, economy, and technology. Overall, the industrial age transformed the way people live and work, making the beginning of modern industrial society.
Now, these are the advantage and disadvantage of industrial age and traditional media.
Traditional media advantage. Number 1. Credible and trustworthy. Information usually comes from verified sources. Number 2. Wide reach. TV and radio can reach large audience even without internet. Number 3. Permanent physical presence. Newspaper, magazines, and poster can be kept or displayed. Number 4. Easy to understand content is usually straightforward and simple. Number 5. Good for local audience. Community, newspaper, radio target specific areas.
Disadvantage of traditional media. Number 1. One-way communication. Audience cannot easily respond or interact. Number 2. Expensive. TV, radio, ads, and paint production cost a lot. Number 3. Limited access to a younger audience. Many younger people prefer digital platforms. Number 4. Slow updates. News cannot be changed or fixed quickly once printed or aired. Number 5. Not consumable. Everyone gets the same information. It can't be personalized.
Now these are new media advantage and disadvantage. New media, there are advantages. Fast and real-time communication, information spreads instantly. Interactive, user can comment, like, share, and participate. Cost-effective, easy to publish content online for free or low cost. Accessible, anytime, anywhere, as long as there is internet. User-generated content, anyone can create and share information.
Disadvantage. Number 1. Risk information, fake news spread quickly. Number 2. Require internet access, not available to everyone. Number 3. Informations too much content can overwhelm user. Number 4. Privacy and security risk. Personal data can be exposed or hacked. Number 5. Short attention spam. People scroll quickly and may not observe information well.
Are for today's video. I hope this video helped you understand our topic better. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you for joining us.